If every run triggers a 2 to 3 day flare, or the activity triggers a flare afterwards, or your pain's getting above a 3 out of 10, you're progressing too fast. It's too much. It's your body telling you that you need to shut it down. Your Achilles tendon doesn't usually fail because you started running again. It fails because you returned with no rolls and the tendon wasn't ready for the load that you demanded. If you're like me, you don't feel any different in your mind, but you're also not 18 years old again. And you can't just get up off the couch and go do the things that you did at that age and expect to not have pain. I'm Dr. James Repko at Bayshore Podiatry in Tampa, Florida. Here are my rules for return to running or sports that prevent relapse with Achilles tendon pain. Rule number 1, you don't need zero pain, but you need a predictable plan. Common guideline is mild discomfort during activity is acceptable if it doesn't spike and settles back to baseline in 24 hours. If every run triggers a 2 to 3 day flare, or the activity triggers a flare afterwards, or your pain's getting above a 3 out of 10, you're progressing too fast. It's too much. It's your body telling you that you need to shut it down. Rule number 2, strengthen before you speed. If your calf is weak, your tendon takes the hit. Before you test speed work, you need consistent calf strength and work tolerance to control the load that comes with speed. Speed workouts, with running especially, brutally expose the tendon. Rule number 3, progression beats hero days. I need to hear this. I think we all do. Anybody that's competitive that runs knows this. Most setbacks come from the good day trap. You feel decent, you do too much, and then you lose 2 weeks. It's about small blocks over time. It's not the one big home run hit. You got to think predictable, not emotional. Control that urge to go fast. Rule number 4, shoes and surfaces matter. Certain shoes and certain surfaces stress the Achilles more. Hills, slanted surfaces, inclined walking, inclined treadmill, sudden changes in shoe gear can all aggravate your Achilles tendon. If you've worked through some Achilles tendon issues and you're still having pain, you may need a better evaluation. If this is a recurring issue, come see us. This is the kind of stuff that I love to see and treat and help people work through to get back to whatever their desired activity level is, whether it's sports or day-to-day function. I love developing a comprehensive plan for people on how we can intelligently get you back without hurting you or needing surgery. So if you're in Tampa and want a return to sport or run plan that matches your Achilles diagnosis and your training goals, book an evaluation in the description below. I'd be happy to see you. This is something that I'm very passionate about, and I'll help you build a realistic progression so you stop doing the same thing over and over again and you can hit that goal that you've been striving for. Hope you found this video useful, and if you have trouble returning to a sport with consistent nagging pain in your foot, ankle, or your Achilles tendon, I hope I see you in our clinic.